Hi everyone, today I will show you how to do correlation, parameterization and page verification in Apache Jmeter tool. Okay, today this is our work. Today concept is how to do correlation and parameterization and page verification in Apache Jmeter tools. Tools or tool. Okay, Apache Jmeter tool. Okay, I'm already open the Jmeter. This is already it's done different script. I will open my go to desktops. There is a scripts folder. There is a Apache Apache Jmeter script _1. This is our script. I'm already recorded the flow. Yeah, it's open now. You need to add some config elements. HTTP cookie manager and cache manager. Okay, the cookie manager you need to upside and the cache manager also upside. We can clear the each iteration. Cache also need to clear the each iteration. Okay, yeah, first of all you need to see this is I am already recorded the JPEG store application. Okay, you know everyone, most of the people you know that one. This is the application I recorded. Okay, the flow is first you need to launch the application. After sign in, give the basic username and password by default. Okay, J2E and J2E, you need to log in. To never need to click on fish. After click onto the product ID. After click on add to cart. After proceed to checkout. After confirm. After confirm. After final will become the confirmation everything. Yeah, the proceed. You need to sign off. This is the flow only I recorded. Okay. Now you need to proceed to the go to the script. Okay, this is the script. You need to check for this script first of all. Only I recorded, only I did not check anything. You need to check. This is the pet store. Yeah, JPet store. This one same. This one also. All the links is only JPet store. Okay, it's done. Now you need to proceed to the this is the JPet store URL. This is sign in. This is JPet store login. Okay, I will provide the JPet store action. After category ID, after product ID, after work item ID, this is new order form. This is order list. This is confirm. This is sign off. This is the relaunched the page, but this request is not required. You need to remove. Okay. Okay. Okay, only HTTP header manager only available. It's not available anything remaining. Okay, now what you need to do now? You need to do the correlation. How you need to do means, first of all you need to save that one. You need to execute one time. Yes, it's executed everything. It's done. Now what you need to do now? You can go to the file and second one. Yeah, you can see there is underscore source page in login page. Underscore source page is the dynamic value. After underscore FP, this is also dynamic value. Both the dynamic values only one page only available. First of all, you will take the I will take underscore FP and go to view results tree. You can click on section. You can see there is a login page only. Will find out that one. In login page there is a two request, two logins. The dynamic values. First one will be selected. Means it's a login only. Okay. You can go to the login and right click, add, go to the post processor, add the regular expression extractor. You need to copy this one and then you need to provide. The reason is two dynamic values. Two dynamic values only, same request only, login page only, and the response also will be coming same page only. Okay, you can see same login page only will become. That reason you need to provide the two regular expressions. You need to correlation purpose. Okay, now you need to find out the response one. Where you need to find out, you can go and check it. Example, you can see less than input type hidden name is equal underscore source page. This is the dynamic value. Okay, underscore less than input type hidden name is equal underscore FP value is equal, it's the dynamic value. So both is coming same login page only, it's available. You no need to go for anywhere. You can take to the that one, you can paste it. Yeah, you can delete that one, unnecessary. You can take two different requests. You can see that value, everything is only digits and characters only. That reason what you need to do now, you can sorry, yeah, open and close the bracket, provide the dot star question mark will be provided. Okay, it is enough. And this one also, you can provide same. Okay, dot star question mark will, it's done. Now what you need to do now, this is the first one, underscore source page, you need to take it. go to the page. First you can give the regular expression underscore. You need to provide the $1. It's a single dynamic value, it's not more than 0 is a random. You need to select. Default is the not found. Okay, name you need to provide the same name only, source page, and go to second. You can go to the second one, underscore fp. Copy that one. Go to the regular expression, you need to paste it. Under name you need to provide it same, and template you need to provide the $1 match number 0, and you need to provide the not found. Okay, first you can go to the first one, underscore source page. You need to source page now. Dollar, open the close flower brackets, you need to provide that one. And go to the second one, underscore fp, you need to take and go to the page. Given the dollar and open close the brackets, and you need to give it. You need to copy to the first one, source page. Go to the order list. In order list there is a source page is already available now. You can go and you need to remove that one, you need to paste it. And go to login page. In login page also you need to take that one, go to order list. Okay, it's done. The correlation side, both dollar will complete it. Okay, now you need to give into the page verification. After you need to give it to timers. I need to provide it first. Timer I will give it to the constant timer. You need to provide it 1000 milliseconds, but based on your project, okay, you need to take that one, you need to change. This is for base application where the people is first time you need to practicing this tool na. That purpose only I will guide it this way. Based on your project point of view, how we need to use na, that based you need to change. I will explain after one by one. Okay, this is the constant timer. You need to give it to the all the transactions. Okay, it's completed that one also. Now you need to provide the page verification. Go to assertion, give the directly response assertion. It's a main sample only, and given the response code and select the content, and you need to provide the 200. Okay, you can copy that one and paste it to all the things. It's completed that one also. Now you need to do the parameterization. This is very important. Okay, you can go to the URL and sign in. There is nothing else. You can see there is a username, password, J2E. You need to parameterize this one. After go to the character ID, you need to parameterize, and product ID you need to parameterize, working items, and the new order list. You can see card type, credit card, expiry date, first name, last name, address, 1, 2, city, state, zip code, country. This all the things you need to parameterize. Okay, now I need to show to the I'm already created the username and passwords. You can see there is a username password. This is only created only one only, J2E, J2E. Okay, this is the username and passwords. This way you need to create more test data. Okay, now how I need to do now? You can go to the thread group, add go to the config element, go to Csv Dataset Config, go to take up level and go to the browse. This PC, go to E drive. Under E drive there is a UP UP means username and password. I will given. After a file encoding, variable names is you need to provide this one username comma password. Ignore first line. Yes, it's true. Ignore first line. Delimiter comma. Allow quoted data false only. Recycle end of file true. You keep on using same data. Stop end of the thread false. There is no stop the data. You need to keep on running all thread sharing mode. Okay, it's completed. Now username password you need to parameterize. Go to login page. Username. You need to open and close. You need to provide the username. And go to the password. Password. This one also will complete it. Now you need to go to the another one. All the list. Go to it, right? This is the product list. You can see I created all the data. First one is the category ID. After product ID, after working item ID, first name, last name, address 1, 2, states, country, city, credit card, card type, expiry date and zip code. All the test data I created. Okay, you also create your own self. Everything you need to denote it to the comma only commas only. Repeated the test data. You need to take the first of all variable names. Okay, he copied this one first. After go to the parameterization table, go to thread group, go to the config element CSV Dataset Config, go to the top, you need to leave it that one, browse, select the product list, and variable names you need to denote it, you can paste it. Ignore first line is true, delimiter comma, allow quoted false, recycling true, stop thread end of the file false. Okay, sharing mode all. Now you need to take category ID. Okay, go to the order list. Sorry, category ID. No, this place is given to the dollar. Pasted that one. Go to the second config after the product ID. Take your first name. Okay, this is the first name. First name after given to the this is the last name. After address 1, go to the order list. Address 1. Address 1. You can go to the second one. Is address 2. Order list. Okay, this is the address 2 you need to parameterize. After go to state. Yeah, this is the state. that is the country, state and country. This one can provide the country. This is city, city. Go to the credit card. Credit card. Okay, go to the credit card. Given to the dollar, open and close. Given to the credit card. Credit card after card type. Given to the order type. This is the expiry date. Final one is the zip code. Zip code, this one. Okay, it's completed. Okay, now both total 3 is completed. Correlation, parameterization and page verification is completed. Now you need to try to execute the script one time. How you need to execute it? Anything issue is there or not? Okay, it's executed. There is no any issue. But this is only for basic scripting. Who are the people will newly started from the Jmeter tool? This is the basic scripting. I will explain one by one how the complexity scripts will be executed, and multiple scripts you need to execute the Jmeter and GUI mode, non-GUI mode and distributed mode, how you need to execute at higher level number of users and provide the phasing, think time details and advanced scripting, what are the issues will become, what are the scripting challenges will become, how you need to overcome, and what are the scriptings you need to learn. Majorly in Jmeter, it's supported for bean shell script and Groovy, bean shell, JSR 2023 processors available, samplers, assertions, listeners, timers, everything. You need to learn that one. Advanced scripting purpose. After you need to learn the Java. Okay, Java is must and should. You need to learn. You can successfully work to the in Jmeter tool. Okay. Yes, this is only guys today. Okay, our task today completed. How to do correlation and parameterization and page verification in Apache Jmeter tool. It's done. Okay, today that's all. I will connect to the next video for you. Thank you for everyone.